Okay, as most of you know, I have the brand new 2018 Goldwing. Got about 1,400 miles on it now. Now, everybody's been complaining about that right there. The navigation system. Well, I'm going to show you a quick video how to actually put an address in. Go to address. You have to start with the city name. Next week, I'm going up to Leesburg, Florida. So we just go in. Okay, Leesburg, boom. All right, now I picked a generic address on Main Street because that's where the event is happening. Okay, so I'm going to put in the name, and it's West Main Street. This is very important. You have to put in the W. Automatically will give you the space. Go up to Main, boom, pulls up Main Street, and then it'll give you the address. This happens to be 1200. So 1200.
Your route is being calculated.
There we go. It has just worked. Finally. So again, it's really easy. You got to put in that address. You start with the city name of where you're going. And it is a piece of cake after that. You just have to follow the directions. Just going through it one more time with you guys. And it pulls it right up. And then you just put in your house number.
Your route is being calculated.
So I really hope this helps everybody, because this has been the biggest pain in the butt on this bike, is how to put in a frickin' address. The directions in the manual are completely wrong. This is going to make life so much easier for all of us. I hope you get something out of it. My hat's off to Brian at Two Wheeled Obsession. Guy I follow on YouTube. Honda was kind enough to fly him out for a 2-day or 3-day test ride on the Goldwing. They walked him through how to set this thing. He shared it. I just want to get out there because I have more Goldwing followers than he does. But just again, thank you to Brian at Two Wheeled Obsession to putting that up. But I just want to give a quick instructional video on this. And there you go, guys.